This is Charles Davis, the Marketing Maverick. I'm going to share with you some principles behind content marketing that can make you a millionaire. I'm going to share some content concepts with you that will be familiar, but I'm going to take them from a spiritual perspective. It says that the biggest brand in the world is the brand of the religion and the church. In the Bible, it says, give and it shall be given unto you. Pressed down, shaken together, overflowing so big that you cannot contain it. Now, a lot of people don't understand how to apply that. You can apply that practice to your content. I started doing this in 2018, and I can tell you this stuff, but it would make more sense if I show you what happened. My brand, which is important, you have to know your brand archetype. One of the components of my brand archetype is I am a sage. That means I have knowledge and wisdom. And so to live my brand, which is how I'm also sharing this, is to show other people how I do what I do. So look, I started doing this in 2018, and I'm going to show you the results. These are real results. This is going on right now. Up to date on Quora, my content has had over 91,000 views since 2018. I had 231 upvotes. I monetized Quora, but I really don't focus on it that much right now. But it's still generating views. It's still generating links. It's still generating visits to my online presence, and it helps signal Google that I'm active in the digital marketing space. But the other part of this is that there's the parable of the sower that talks about you will sow things in the world and it'll hit on ground that's too hard. The next one will be you'll sow some things into the world and it'll take hold, but the cares of the world will root it up. The next level is some of the stuff you sow into the world is going to take hold and manifest itself 20, 40, and 60 fold. It says that. That is an absolute. If you do this, this is what will happen. This is the ultimate content marketing strategy that will bring your brand to another level and millionaire success. How often you want to do it, how long it will take, this is a long-term strategy. But if you start doing it now on the process of giving, the next point is, it says, but one seed you will sow is going to be the mustard seed. It's going to be the biggest tree in the garden. I'm about to show you how this really manifested in my life. I went over on YouTube. I was following Neil Patel. I was using his strategies and studying his digital marketing expertise on how to build an online presence because I'm a digital marketing engineer and I have to keep up with these things. If you look here, I'm going to show you something. Make this real quick. How VSEO hack improves SEO. Now that is video search engine optimization. If you look over here, I'm going to show you how this manifested. Look here. On his channel, I was watching this video and I asked him this question. I said, can I use his video on my website? Imagine my surprise when he answered that question on his YouTube channel. See, that it's that one seed, that one mustard seed. It blew up. It's on his marketing channel right now. It's been there for years, and it has my business on it. That's how that